My name is Chatvika. I am studying in LKG. Is St. Philomena's Group of Institution in Chandapura.
Chatvika, today I will ask some GK questions. Will you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say which is our planet?
Earth is our planet.
Which is our continent?
Asia is our continent.
Which is our country?
India is our country.
Which is our state?
Karnataka is our state.
Which is our district?
Bengaluru is our district.
Can you say national symbols?
Yes, ma'am.
Father of the nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem?
Jana Gana Mana.
National song?
Vande Mataram.
National emblem?
Lion capital.
National flag?
Vande Mataram.
National flag?
3 color flag.
National flag color?
Saffron, white, green.
National flower? National flower?
Lotus.
National animal?
Tiger.
National aquatic animal?
Dolphin.
National bird?
Peacock.
National fruit?
Mango.
National vegetable?
Pumpkin.
National calendar?
Saka calendar.
National book?
Bhagavad Gita.
National game?
Hockey.
National currency?
Rupees.
National tree?
Banyan tree.
National river?
Ganga.
Say rivers of India?
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Aryan, Tamilapadi, Vaigai, Yamuna.
8 planets?
8 planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Earth, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus.
5 oceans of the world?
5 oceans of the world. Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
7 continents of the world?
7 continents of the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
States and capitals?
States and capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dishpur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Tintapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Mysore, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata.
Neighboring countries of India?
Neighboring countries of India. Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Classical dance forms of India?
Classical dance forms of India. Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Manipur, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odissi, Odisha, Satariya, Assam, Kidals, Madhya Pradesh, Gandia, Gujarat, Yakshagana, Karnataka.
National festivals?
National festivals. Ganesha Chaturthi, January 26, Republic Day, August 15, Independence Day, September 5th, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14, Children's Day.
7 wonders of India.
7 wonders of India. Gomateshwara statue in Karnataka, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Hampi temple in Punjab,
Karnataka.
Karnataka, Konark Sun Temple in Odisha, Nalanda University in Bihar, Khajuraho Group of Monuments in Madhya Pradesh, Golden Temple in Punjab.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Minister of India Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Gujilananda, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, V.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Inder Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Presidents of India.
Presidents of India Rajendra Prasad, Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, Zakir Hussain, V.V. Giri, B.D. Jatti, S.R. Country, Veelam Sanjeev Reddy, Saisin, Ramaswamy Venkataraman, Shekhar Sharma, K.R. Narayanan, A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee, Ramnath Kovind, Draupadi Murmu.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka.
Chief Minister of Karnataka
Chengalaraya Reddy.
Chengalaraya Reddy, Chengal Hanmantaya, Karikal Manjappa, S. Kajilingappa, B.D. Jatti, S.R. Country, Virendra Patil, Devaraj Aras, R. Gundurao, Ramakrishna Agade, S.R. Bommai, S. Bangarappa, Meerappa Moili, H.D. Deve Gowda, J.H. Patel, S.M. Krishna, Dharam Singh, T.V. Sadananda Gowda, Jagadish Shettar, Siddaramaiah, H.D. Kumaraswamy, B.S. Yediyurappa, Basuraj Bommai, Siddaramaiah.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Gogri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamarajnagara, Chikkamangaluru, Chikkaballapura, Chikadurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Davana, Gadaga, Hasan, Kaveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kolara, Koppala, Mandya, Mysore, Ramnarna, Raichur, Shivamoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Radgiri.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights against exploitation, rights to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, rights to constitutional remedies.
Borders of India.
Borders of India: North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Krishnavardhana, Mayura Varma, Amaga Varsha, Matakari Nayaka, Kitturani Channamma, Akka Bukka, Jayachamaraja, Kempegowda.
Epics of India.
Epics of India: Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas Eve, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India: Durgabai Deshmukh, Anna Asaf-Ali, Sucheta Atrupalani, Kitturani Channamma, Vanake Obava, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, Jharsilani Lakshmibai.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Birds of India.
Borders of India, North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
9 Union Territories.
9 Union Territories, New Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh.
7 wonders of the world.
7 wonders of the world. The Great Wall of China, Machu Picchu, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Restored Redentor, Colosseum, Vesta, Jordan, Chichen Itza.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasties, Chalukya dynasty, Chola dynasty, Vaisala dynasty, Maurya dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Gupta dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty, Mughal dynasty, Vijayanagara dynasty, Vardhan dynasty.
Helpful doctors.
Helpful doctor, general physician,
Pediatrician.
children specialist,
Neurologist.
nurse specialist,
Gynecologist.
female specialist,
Psychiatrist.
mental illness,
Nephrologist.
kidney specialist,
Pulmonologist.
respiratory organs,
Ophthalmologist.
eye specialist,
Oncologist.
cancer specialist,
Urologist.
urinary system,
Dermatologist.
skin specialist,
Gastroenterologist.
stomach specialist,
Cardiologist.
heart specialist,
Orthopedic.
bone specialist,
Dentist.
teeth specialist,
Jyotirlinga temples.
Yogalinga temples, Krishneswara temple, Kedarnath temple, Kashishwara temple, Nageshwara temple, Ramanatha Swami temple, Vimashankara temple, Baitanatha, Omkareshwara and Mammaleshwara temple, Mahakareshwara temple, Mallikarjuna temple, Sona temple.
10 Mukhya Upanishads.
10 Mukhya Upanishads, Ishavasa Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katta Upanishad, Prishna Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Aitiriya Upanishad, Kaitiriya Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad, Grunthka Upanishad.
Countries and capitals.
Countries and capitals: Afghanistan, Kabul, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Australia, Canberra, Australia, Vienna, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Belgium, Brazil, Colombia, Bogota, Denmark, Campeche, Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo, Egypt, Cairo, Ireland, Helsinki. Genders: masculine, feminine, male, female, boy, girl, brother, sister, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, son, maid, bull, cow, cock, hen, dog, bitch, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress, bilingoat, malingoat. ಲಿಂಗಗಳು: ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ, ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ, ಗಂಡು, ಹೆಣ್ಣು, ಹುಡುಗ, ಹುಡುಗಿ, ಅಣ್ಣ, ಅಕ್ಕ, ತಂದೆ, ತಾಯಿ, ಅಜ್ಜ, ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ಮಗ, ಮಗಳು, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ, ಗೃಹಸ್ಥ, ಗೃಹಿಣಿ, ಗಂಡ, ಹೆಂಡತಿ, ಪುರುಷ, ಮಹಿಳೆ, ಸೌತೆಯ, ಸೌತರ ಸೊಸೆ, ಸನ್, ಮೇಡಂ, ಬೂಳಿ, ಆಕಳು, ಮುಂಜ, ಕೋಳಿ, ಗಂಡು ನಾಯಿ, ಹೆಂಡು ನಾಯಿ, ಗಂಡು ಸಿಂಹ, ಹೆಂಡು ಸಿಂಹ, ಗಂಡೋಳಿ, ಹೆಂಡೋಳಿ, ಹೋತ, ಹಾಡು. 18 Puranas: ಅಗ್ನಿ ಪುರಾಣ, ಭಾಗವಂತ ಪುರಾಣ, ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಪುರಾಣ, ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಂಡ ಪುರಾಣ, ಬ್ರಹ್ಮವೈವರ್ತ ಪುರಾಣ, ಗರ್ಣ ಪುರಾಣ, ಕೂರ್ಮ ಪುರಾಣ, ಲಿಂಗ ಪುರಾಣ, ಮಾರ್ಕಂಡೇಯ ಪುರಾಣ, ಮತ್ಸ್ಯ ಪುರಾಣ, ನಾರದ ಪುರಾಣ, ಪದ್ಮ ಪುರಾಣ, ಸ್ಕಂದ ಪುರಾಣ, ಶಿವ ಪುರಾಣ, ವಾಮನ ಪುರಾಣ, ವಾಯು ಪುರಾಣ, ವಿಷ್ಣು ಪುರಾಣ. 4 Vedas: ಋಗ್ವೇದ, ಯಜುರ್ವೇದ, ಸಾಮವೇದ, ಅಥರ್ವಣ ವೇದ. ಹಿಂದೂ lunar months: ಚೈತ್ರ, ವೈಶಾಖ, ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ, ಆಷಾಢ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಭಾದ್ರಪದ, ಆಶ್ವೀಜ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ, ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ, ಪುಷ್ಯ, ಮಾಘ, ಫಾಲ್ಗುಣ. Names of Ritus: ವಸಂತ ಋತು, ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮ ಋತು, ವರ್ಷ ಋತು, ಶರद ಋತು, ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು, ಶಿಶಿರ ಋತು.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka: ಕುವೆಂಪು, ದ.ರಾ ಬೇಂದ್ರೆ, ಶಿವರಾಮ್ ಕಾರಂತ್, ಮಾಸ್ತಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಅಯ್ಯಂಗಾರ್, ವಿ. ಕೃ. ಗೋಗ, ಯು. ಅನಂತಮೂರ್ತಿ, ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕರ್ನಾಡ್, ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಕಂಬಾರ. ದಶಾವತಾರ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಿಷ್ಣು: ಮತ್ಸ್ಯ, ಕೂರ್ಮ, ವರಾಹ, ನರಸಿಂಹ, ವಾಮನ, ಪರಶುರಾಮ, ರಾಮ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ, ಬುದ್ಧ, ಕಾಳಿಕಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.